G'day, how's it going? Today we're off to explore a different part of Bangkok. We haven't been here before. Not entirely sure where we're going to be going exactly, but we're going to jump on the canal boat on the Saen Saep Canal and head opposite direction to the Platinum Fashion Mall. So I think we're going to go and have a look at the Bang Kapi area. Let's see what's there. But you got to weave your way through alleyways just to get to the pier. Look at that, they've got a coffee shop right there on the pier. I'll sit up anywhere. We're off at the Bang Kapi Pier, so let's have a look around this area. Not sure where we're going. You never have to go too far to find a mall in Bangkok. And I'd say this is a pretty local mall. I wonder if the prices are cheaper here.
Cake $4.80? Yeah, they are.
A whole cake $4.80 instead of just a piece for $4.80.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, these are only 34, 35 baht. It's $3.40 for that cake. $20 for the little tarts. Here we go. Things are a lot cheaper out here, that's for sure. $20 for a slice of strawberry, lady strawberry cheesecake.
Velvet, they're only 35. Chocolate, 45. Packet.
Cheese. Yep. 12 baht for your skewers. So this is a Decathlon store. In Terminal 21 it's just the clothing really, but here you've got all your bikes. Pretty much got everything. Scooters. Petanque. Archery darts. This mall's like got 4 floors. It's bigger than what we expected. Get a sports mall there. So you got the ground floors, all the food stalls, and the top floor we've got little restaurants and things. It's actually a really big mall. Not too many tourists around, so you're probably going to get local prices for the food. You've got on the top floor here, Mega Harbour Land, Aqua World. If you've got young kids in Bangkok, that might be the place to bring them. Looks like they can climb through all that stuff and not get themselves hurt. It's pretty good actually. There you go, you get a water park out there. And there's hardly anyone here. You could really wear the kids out coming here for the day. Oh, look here, all the smiles. Thank you. See ya. Friendly. They haven't finished yet. There's about 7 or 8 or 9 gold stores all in a row. Maybe 10. Get the Stingray down there. Well, that was our look around Bangkapi Mall. Straight down the end of this walkway here. But what we're going to do is we're going to catch the MRT back. So it's the Bangkapi MRT stop on the yellow line. But you pretty much walk all the way along and up. You're not going to get wet if it's coming out here on a rainy day. And that mall's really good. It's got all the main brands that you need. It's got the, let's see if we can see it from here. You can't see it. It's got the water park up the top and the massive kids playground. So if you've got kids in here in Bangkok, you can spend the day here and wear them out quite easily. Yeah, so take the boat It's pretty easy. It was 19 baht per person from the Asoke Pier, and we'll grab the MRT back to the BTS stop at Samrong, and then straight into Sukhumvit. So yeah, that's our Bang Kapi look. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.